Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on to share a card that I made for hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday morning makes. And I am just going to jump right in and show you what I used to create these cute little pies. All right, so I ordered this off of Amazon. It was the KS Craft cookie dies, and I pulled out this one, which looks like a pie already, as well as that back piece. And then I also used this little small round piece that was attached to this one. And that's where I got the inside of the pie from. All right. Then I'm also using this, which I had a basket, and this with the basket die that I had. So use that. And then I am using the cherry off these Spellbinders Party Cupcake Pocket dies. So I'm using that cherry in the stem there. This one here, this one came from Shishi Crafts, and I'm using the fork as well as the knife. And so thank you so much, Shishi, for sending that to me. And then off of this one, I am using this apple here, as well as this cherry here. And that came as a set. And from Whimsy Stamps, I am using this, which is my background die, and I use this on the outside as well as in the inside. And I have this one here from my MFT, and that's the Sweetie Pie that I'm using from there. And is that everything? Oh, I'm using these diamond dots. These are the ones I picked up from that Amazon store. Can I show you that? Okay. Where I got the sugar from was from this coarse glitter from Martha Stewart. I've had this for years. And I am also using Distress Ink, the tea dye, to color up the rolling pin as well as the pies. And I believe that's it. So let's just bring that up so you can see that a little better. Oh, I did forget to get that little bow die out. And I want to say that's a Sizzix die, but I'm not definite. But anyways, that's how it looks. I really like that die set that I got from Whimsy Stamps. As you can see, those little sprinkles going around. Take a good look at that sugar. I'm telling you, these pies look good enough to eat. And what happened was I put this sweetie pie up too high, and there was a bunch of empty space right there. So that's where I thought I could put those rolling pins and the fork and knife in there to fill that space. And then there goes the inside of the die. I thought this turned out really cute. Make sure you take a look at the picture at the end, as well as hit those links down below, which will be of Jill Norwood as well as Girlia's cards to show off her card or what she made with some pie dies. And I think this week it's similar, not the same. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.